tell you what things I made in lockdown and how I made them. So first I have made this wall hanging. You can see. This is my wall hanging. I made them from newspapers and some and white sheet and black paint and red color paper and some decorative items. So how I made this? First you need this. First you need this. This is used for making clothes, making sweater. Okay. In Hindi this is called silai, I think, but I don't know. Okay. So you have to take the this and put at the corner of it, and then put at the corner of the newspaper, and then fold like this. So it will give the look of this type. Okay. So I will put here. Okay. Now make 16 of that type newspaper rolling. Okay. Make them, and then divide them into two parts. Attach two. Okay. Make two squares attaching them. Here I have pasted two of them, and here also two, here also two, here also two. So you have to make squares. Okay. By pasting two of them, you can see, if you can see, I have made a square and then paste like that at a kite shape, or you can say I have pasted them to give a kite shape or diamond shape. Yes, diamond shape, you can see. And then after pasting, I have pasted some flowers here or at the corners of that of the newspapers roller. And then I decorate them from this decorative item. You can see. So here, and then I have to hang over the wall. I have do like this from a dhaga. Okay, dhaga. So this one my father make this, because I can't make this, so my father made this, and I had paste here. So here our wall hanging is ready. So now second one. My second wall hanging is this one. This is also very easy to make, like it. Okay. In this also you have to take white sheet and make total 6 of them. I think, yes, 6 of them you have to take, and then first take 3, like putting it like this, and then second here, and then third here. Okay, and then paste like this one, and then some gap, and then second, and some gap, and then third. So it will do like this, and I have then make some flowers. I had made some flowers and pasted on the corner of these. Okay, like that was only last one. And then I have cut these leaves. Okay, leaf shape I have cut, and then I had cut from scissor only corner. You can see, if you will focus, you can see like this. Okay, and after that I have made this one, this wall to hang over the wall. This also made by my mom, not me. So, and then I have decorated it from some decorative materials. Here is circle glass, and here is some diamond shape, or I don't know, leaf shape thing. Okay, so our second wall hanging is ready. It is so easy to make, and that was also last one also so easy to make. Now the time is for our third one wall hanging. This is a pencil holder wall hanging. So you can hang over the wall and put some things in it, like I am putting this scissor, like you can put like this and hang over the wall. So this is also nice. You can put over like here I am putting, you can see, you can put like this also. Oh my god, sorry. You can put like this also here, and then put some things also. So it will like nice for both things. It okay. So it it is like a pencil holder only. Now our 3 wall hangings are there. My craft is over. Now I will see my drawings to you. First, this is a topic: stay home, stay safe. You all know that in full word the corona affects. So I think to make some drawings or poster to make you to think me to revise me that corona is very very effective in our life. So I also request you to stay home and stay safe. And now it's time to tell how I made this. Okay, so first I had drawn this hands. Just to make this hands, first you have to make a line in between it. Okay, then from here small line, and then go what you call it, teda. I don't know what we call teda in English. So a small line, and then here, and then roll it like this, but not too much that, like here, and then roll, and then again a teda line, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then make 2 types of hand like this, and then make a circle on the hand. Okay, and draw it like with a compass. You can draw this, or a cap of anything, or a steel katora or anything. Okay, so you have to draw this, and then make earth, continents or anything that you to make it earth. Okay, then make a earth, and then make the marks. First you have to go like here, and then circle it, and then like this, and then you have to make 2 strips. Okay, like it is holding on their ears, because marks is hold on the ears. So then make a boy hugging her. Okay, a boy hugging her. So make like this, and hand over here and here, and then make draw a line with the help of the scale, and then like it make a house type. Okay, at the upper part make a triangle, and then another big triangle, and then 2 lines, and then this is called chimney, I think, chimney. And then make a corona drawing. Okay, virus drawing like this. You can make here anything. Okay, then after that you have to color it. Okay, you have to color it. You can color it with your choice. I have colored it like this. Okay, so now is the time for our second coronavirus prevention drawing. This is very easy to make, because we all know what are the preventions of coronavirus. If you don't know, you can search on internet, or you can see newses that will help you to know better. So what I have drawn here, I have made some social distancing. You can make anything like that, social distancing. I think I have to make like this. You can see in newses that coming that you can go. You can see in newses that we can see this type of images in 2 circles. Many circles are there, and people stand in this circle only. And here, like I have made a medical store. You can make a dairy or a newspaper stall, or a mall, like, but mall is not open, so anything. Okay, now we will come on this no crowd. Okay, no, do not make crowd. Social distancing and do not make crowd is proper, but I cannot trivialize anything, so I have this. So you can see I have make a circle from the help of the compass, and then I have make some people attaching them like in a crowd, making crowd. Okay, making crowd, and I have written here don't make crowd, and I have written here make social distancing. Now the third important thing to wash your hand till 20 seconds. So I have made this hands washing, like you always wash your hands when you come from outer. You can see your mama, papa comes from out and then they wash hand. So like this I have made this picture. You can see I have made. Here I have made tap, and here I have make a hand wash like. So I have written here on the hand wash Dettol. Okay, and here I have written wash your hands daily till 20 seconds. This is only for those who go outside every day. So, but it is important, very important it is. Now is the time for wear masks. This is also a important thing. So I had made a boy and I had drawn a marks on her face, and I have written here wear masks. Now here I have made a doctor and a patient here. I have written here when you feel sick. Okay, when you feel sick, always meet a doctor. So doctor can help you that you are corona positive or not. So here I have drawn here hand shaking. Okay, you can see in news also it is avoided to touch hands. This is come in social distancing only. To hello, you have to say hello. Don't say like this. You can say namaste or here the say hello like this. Okay, and then I have written here do not shake hand, say hello or namaste with distance. Okay, here I have made do not touch your mouth. I have made mouth because we have only two hands, so I have like this. I have made a picture like this. When we like cough, when we coming cough, so we do like this. We not to do like this. We can take a handkerchief or a tissue paper to cover your face. Like this I have made. And then I have written here do not touch your eyes, nose and mouth with the hands. Okay, and here I have drawn when you sneeze or आपको जैसे कफ आता है ना, कफ खांसी और वो जुखाम ऐसे हो जाता है ना, कोल्ड हो जाता है, तो कोल्ड में हमको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या आती है, खांसी, जुखाम और फीवर. ओके, लाइक दैट. So I have drawn a handkerchief. First I have drawn a boy, and then I have covered her nose and mouth both with the help of the handkerchief drawing, and then I have do like this, that boy is holding the handkerchief. Okay, now our drawing is complete, and you have to write here corona prevention. You can write with your help. This is no need, आप इसको नहीं भी लिख सकते हो, लिख भी सकते हो. Now, so our third drawing is this one. This is a geometrical shape drawing. So to tell it, it is very easy to make, but you have to focus it. Okay, you can see that when you see from the between, you can see the black lines go and the last. It is to draw it very easy. First, what you have to draw, take a compass and draw a small circle, then big circle, then another big, then another big, then another, then another, and then make small triangles. You can see like this. I have made some triangles. I have left one triangle with white and one triangle I have colored with black. So you can see it is how it is too easy to make it with the help of the compass and sketch, black sketch or black. So our geometrical shape is ready. This is for today. I mean these things I have made in lockdown. So take care. Bye bye.